a bright sunny day here in B-Town and we're serving up the biggest and juiciest headlines that are sure to have you buzzing, from Kangana Ranaut being granted Y+ security to Rhea Chakraborty spending day 2 at the Narcotics Bureau office, Arjun and Malaika testing COVID-19 positive. Here are all the deets making our Monday anything but morose and mundane. Kangana Ranaut announced last week that she's going to return to Mumbai City, and now it seems this one will be a return fit for a queen. On the actress's request, the centre has granted her with top-notch Y+ security. Why, you ask? Well, this comes after she claimed she has been receiving threats warning her against returning to Maxim City for recently comparing it to POK, the Taliban and whatnot. Looks like this lady will have armed commandos guarding her round the clock with 2 or 3 personal security officers following her every move, and 1 security personnel deployed at her residence. Well, this one sure knows how to make an entrance. As the Sushant Singh Rajput case shows no signs of reaching a possible conclusion, our Bee spotted Rhea Chakraborty arriving at the NCB office for round 2 of questioning. The actress, who was also grilled on Sunday for her alleged drug chats, is rumoured to have dropped some big names of B-Town A-listers to the bureau for reasons yet unknown. Wherever the findings in these interrogations, photos and videos of the actress being mobbed have shocked many celebs who came out in her defence, and besides slamming this witch hunt, also asked fans what Sushant would have thought about this treatment being given to his girlfriend. While you give that a good long thought, you also might want to reconsider sharing those weird, wacky and unconfirmed theories on the SSR case. One man learned it the hard way as he was arrested for uploading videos on YouTube which were allegedly spreading fake news in connection with the case and defaming the Maharashtra government and Mumbai police. A case was registered and he was slapped with 4 charges under Indian Penal Code sections, including intentional insult with intent to provoke breach of peace. We interrupt the news updates of the SSR case to inform all our honey buns that the COVID-19 threat is very much still around, and yes, many are still falling victim to the virus. The latest Bollywood stars to test COVID positive were star couple Arjun Kapoor and Malaika Arora. Although spending their lockdown mostly apart, the two announced that they had contracted the virus. While Arjun announced his diagnosis on Sunday, Malaika announced she tested positive early this afternoon. Because staying locked indoors is bound to be hard, B-Town stars like Sara Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Kartik Aaryan, Katrina Kaif and many others have been doing their bit to brighten up our timelines with their gorgeous cliques. While Sara has been sharing photos from her exotic Goan escapade, Kareena packed on the cuteness by sharing a picture with little Tim. Kartik, on the other hand, seemed to have only COVID on his mind as he shared a pic with a cat and captioned it saying, "Tom and Jerry waiting for vaccine. #social distancing." On that note, it's bye for now, but we'll be back tomorrow to serve up some juicy deets on the biggest newsmakers in B-Town.